Before we even set up the iPhone 14 Pro Max, we have to put a screen protector on. Gadget Beard. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video, we have the Shieldview glass screen protector from Speck for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So without further ado, let's take a quick look at the packaging here. Looks very similar to the case packaging. As you can see on the back, you got some specs. Nothing too fancy here or too spectacular to look at, but let's take a quick look at the screen protector itself. Oh, look at that, look at that. Now we do get a easy goof-proof is what they're calling installation kit, the accessories needed to install the tempered glass screen protector. Now you only get one, so but it's going to be relatively simple, nothing to it. So without further ado, I'm just going to go ahead and speed up the process of this video so I wouldn't waste your time. Let me clean this. Make sure you clean your surface of any dust, lint, or anything like that, and turn off any fans because you don't want to get any of the lint stuck in between your screen and your tempered glass screen protector. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start the process here. And just like that, with the quick wipe down, look at this beautiful tempered glass screen protector. Now it absolutely goes all the way to the edge. I think it leaves just enough space in case you want to put a case. It's not going to interfere with the case, but it absolutely looks very, very premium. And look at that. You can clearly see how far this screen protector protects your iPhone 14 Pro screen. Feels very, very good to the touch. Let me just clean it real quick. Obviously it has oleophobic coating, so no fingerprints, but it looks absolutely fantastic. If you have any questions regarding this screen protector, please leave them down in the comment section below. That was just a quick review. Link to this product will be in the description of the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.